Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in today's video I will show you on how to submit order for possibly discounted in a product price. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, JD, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you negotiate with the supplier before you go ahead and submit order for possibly discount in the product price. However, I have a case study that I want to use right here as an example. I will go ahead and open up my inbox right here. So this particular store right here, I'm going to use them as an example. So I'm going to open up our chart right here. So here we go. You can see my chart with the store right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and submit order for a possible discount of this particular product. So once you have discussed with the seller and they ask you to go ahead and submit your order, this is exactly the step you need to take. Go ahead and go back, then proceed to the cart. You must have the product in your cart. Proceed to the cart. On getting to the cart, you can see the product right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and select the product. Once you select the product, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now you can see the original product total price right here is 506. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now instead of you to complete the payment, what you need to do is to simply cut the payment. And for that, go ahead and click on here to cancel the payment. So once you cancel the payment, the product will no longer be available in your cart again. So cancel the payment, then go back to your profile. Then the product will no longer be available in your cart again. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your cart, to your profile. Then from your profile, you need to get the order number and send it to the supplier. And for that, go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and copy this order number right here. Once you copy order number, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then it's going to open up the chart right here. Then click on here. Then the next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and click and hold down, paste your order number and send it to the store. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and write your message. So I'm going to assist from my 1688 right here. Then I'm going to make use of my Google Translate now. Then I will say, this is the order number. Kindly reduce price for me, and I will make payment right away. Thank you. So once you type, then go ahead and click on here to copy the Chinese character. Once you copy the Chinese character, go back to the chart with the store, click on here and paste it. Then while waiting for the store to review the price and reduce the discount. It may take some minutes, some hours, depends on how the availability of the store in the chat box right here. However, once they agree, and you can see their response right here. So once they approve the discounted price, next thing you want to do is to exit from the chat right here, then proceed to the pending order, refresh. So once they approve the price will definitely change. So go back to your profile, click on it again, refresh. So they have not yet reduced the price. So once they reduce this price, then the price is going to be changed from 605 something to the new price. Then from here, you can go ahead and complete the payment. It's that simple. So this is how to submit order for possible discounted of any product from any store on 1688. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.